Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly change the tiny browser logo problem that you get on your Shopify store for people on desktop. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the idea here is we want to get access to the site builder settings for our online store on Shopify. And to do that, we first want to log into our Shopify account as an administrator, which is what I have here. So here's the dashboard. And once you guys are logged in, you'd want to click on online store under sales channel, or sales channels, I should say. So when you guys click on this, it should show you a drop down with a bunch of different options to choose from. So there's themes, blog posts, pages, navigation, and preferences. And the idea here is we want to click on themes and we want to customize the theme or the registered store under our Shopify account. So you can do so by selecting the theme and clicking on customize like so. And it'll bring you to this page right here where you get to fully customize and configure your store. So on the left hand side, there are three options being sections, theme settings, and app embeds. So from here, we want to click on theme settings like so, and you'll see right away that under this setting, there's an option that says logo. So right now, I don't actually have a logo registered to my Shopify store, so let's go ahead and upload one. Or actually, we can explore free images and extract an image from Shopify's asset library. So let's do this one, for example. Let's do coffee. So a coffee theme one, and we can do this one right here. Actually, wait, I think we need to add a container first. Or, okay, no, we just need to select it like so. So here's our image. So all you guys would need to do from here is actually import the logo onto your store wherever you want. So if you want to add a container on this upper left corner right here and add your logo, simply do so. And as you can see, there's a slider for the size of the logo. So it says desktop logo width. So from here, you can simply play along with the slider, do some trial and error to see which setting fits your store best. So it goes without saying that by playing around with this slider, you can make your logo bigger for your store. And once you've made your changes, simply hit save and you guys are done. So yeah, that's the video. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. And thank you for watching. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.